This first Cyber Cafe post is an important one because you will be introducing yourself to your small Cyber Cafe group. I have already selected the fellow members of your group, which consists of between 5 to 7 students. You don't need to hunt for those students. As soon as you click reply to add a post, your posting will go only to the students in your Cyber Cafe group. This post is intended for you to demonstrate a few skills and let your fellow students know what interests you. Let's look at those instructions together. On your computer desktop, not your phone, but your computer, you will create a desktop folder, title it My Interests or whatever you like, and you're going to add 4 to 6 images that represent things that interest you, including the image of one band that represents your favorite kind of music. As soon as you get those 4 to 6 images created in your folder, now you will go to YouTube and find the performance of the song that is your favorite from your selected band. Now, for finding images of things that interest you, if you need to locate free images, here is one resource. There are thousands of places to find images for things that interest you. This is just one that I'm showing you here, but there are lots of other ways to find images. Let's look at Pixabay since I'm giving you that option here. In the search box, I click Alaska Images. That brings up a number of images. Remember, these are all paid. I don't want to look for paid images. I want images that are free. So I select the image that I want. I click that. And then I click Free Download. It will bring up a donation screen and you just simply X out of that. Now, in my Downloads folder in my computer, I will find this image. I save the image to the folder I created on my desktop. Now, the instructions are written here, but I'm going to demonstrate those instructions for you. First, I have saved all of my images. I have found my YouTube video that shows my selected band in performance. I click reply and I scroll down and I see the text box for me to create my post. I'm going to add my name and a couple of sentences about myself. This doesn't need to be elaborate, just let folks know who you are in any way that makes you feel comfortable. Now we are ready to insert the images that we have added to our desktop. We do this by clicking Upload Image, and that will bring up this box. I will locate the image from my computer and add it here. I decided to start with an image of me, and I'm going to submit that. And as you can see, the image is enormous. So I simply click inside the image, and that brings up the blue box and toggles. With my mouse, I make this a normal size. Click outside the image, and there it is. The blue toggles disappear, and now we have that. Now, I need to tell my fellow students a little bit about this since you wouldn't know if you didn't know. Just a very simple sentence. Now, this is important. At the end of that sentence, I click Enter so that I have a new space, and I insert my next image by scrolling up right here, and once again I click Images, and I'm going to upload the image. Same process as before. This time, I selected my favorite band of all time, and I click Submit. And you can see that this is on a next line. It's not messed up over here. Again, I click in the picture. I'm going to drag it so that it's the same exact size as the picture above. I click outside the box, and now I'm going to add text. And here is where I'm going to add a link to my favorite song by this band. Right, because do you know who this band is? That's right, it's Santana, and I forgive you for not knowing that. So I'm going to type in my little statement, and I'm going to click add the words, click here. Now I take my mouse and I highlight those words. I go up here and I click link, external link, and those are the words that I just typed, and I'm going to add my link. Let's go find this link together. Okay, so I found my video of the performance of this song, and remember, we want to make sure that we pick songs that are appropriate for university discourse, just so you know while you're picking your song. So I'm going to click share, and I'm going to copy this URL, copy, and I'm going to go back over to my post in the classroom. And in that insert link, I'm going to paste that URL. Then I click done. And I'm going to make sure that this is nice and bold so that my fellow students can see it by clicking this. I can make it a pretty color if I want to make sure that it's visible. And now, when I click this post, my fellow students will be able to hear my favorite song. I click enter, remember, and this gives me a new line where I can add my next image. Now I click submit, and that once again makes the image too large. So now it's made the image too small. So I want to toggle it out so it's neat and tidy and the same thing is there. If you wanted to put a link to something, you could there, but you're only required to include one link, and that is to the music that you like, making sure that the lyrics are appropriate. Now, after I've entered all of my images, I click reply, and I will be able to see my post. When I come back on Wednesday, I will click reply to everyone else's posts and tell them how fabulous they are. Now, before I leave this assignment, I want to make sure that I check my link to make sure it works. And there it is. Now I'm ready to walk away, and when I come back on Wednesday, I will see all of the posts from my fellow Cyber Cafe group members. I click reply to each one of them. That brings up a new text box, and I simply type a few words to the person. Always appropriate, and remember, these are going to be your folks for the semester. So type words that are wonderful, and then click this reply button. Repeat that process for all members of your Cyber Cafe group. And that concludes this tutorial for Cyber Cafe Post 1.